Hello, another game to play today. It's called Elevated Dread. Siguro another unnerving ah, nerve-wracking game. So, well, let's just see how it gonna turn out, okay? So, lang okay siya sa PC ko since naka-laptop lang ako and it's probably gonna lag. Hopefully not. Uh, so, yeah, let's start. Wow, it's been a long day and rough day. But finally, this is the last house. I just need to put up the remaining flyers on every apartment door. And that's it. I will get my first salary. God damn. Supplier boy tayo. Hindi ba parang late night na to? Dude. Let's see. Slack. Ooh. Tayo na susunod na magme-messing dyan for sure. But you can enter a 3-digit apartment number that you in. Okay. What? What? Press what? What? What exactly do I need to press, bro? Ah. What? Sorry. Sorry, what do I need to press? Ah, okay. No, no. 3-digit, okay. Pwede na try ko mag-6 eh. Never mind. Let me in, bro. Hindi ko natapusin tong job ko. Oh my god. Hindi ko gusto yung atmosphere for sure. Super worse siya sa last time na nilaro ko. Pwede ba mag-crouch? Nope. Or din mag-sprint? So I think we need lang natin lagyan ng mga flyer itong mga pinto. Ano ba yan? For sure, na-expect ko na mag-jump-scare isa sa mga pinto dito. Hopefully not. Takting job to. Flyer boy, pero di natin dito maglagay sa mga pinto nila. Like, di ba, like, mga sir lang yung mga... What? Huh? Sorry, what? No, the door's locked. Wait, ano ba need ko gawin? Do I need to use this? Of course, elevator. Elevated dread. Duh. So... Fucking bitch. Napaka-cruel naman ng jumpscare. um, my god. Well, be grateful na in high school yung setting ko. Medyo malakas pala yung scream ko pag nagja-jump scare. So, hopefully hindi siya gaanong masakit sa tenga nyo ngayon. Oops. Oh my god. Napakalakas pa ng music dito sa akin. Feel ko stalker type to. Like, yung monster. Like, lagi siyang nasa corner. Man. I don't want this game. I don't wanna look. Hello? What? Oh my god. Pwede bang umalis na lang ako? Hindi na worth it yung salary mo pag ganyan. Can I go? What? Hello? TB? Fuck. What? Sprint? Wait. No, may hide. Ayoko nito. Wait, dadaan nata siya? Whatever man. I just... Fuck it. I'm going to Sportlor. No! Ano pang pintunid ko? What? Yung chance na mamamatay ako dito is super high. Super high. Feel ko ba daw yung character ko, like, ang weird ng apartment na to, tapos maglalagay pa siya ng pliers? Hell naman. Like, mukha bang apartment pa to? Mukha ba ng building na? Or, I should finish putting up pliers on third floor first. What? What else do I need? Where else do I need to put those pliers, man? 1, 2. Ano pa ba dito? Excuse me? Nope. Wait, where else? Ito. Bruh. Dahil kasing basura, di ko napansin. Pero ko hanggang night floor lang ako for sure. Fourth floor. In-expect ko na yan for sure. Oh my god, sana din niya ako huntingin. Super bullshit. Fuck. Can I leave? Can I leave, please? I want to leave. Fuck salary, man. I'm going home. What? Please. No! I guess wala tayong choice, Tangina, nanginginig na yung kamay. Wala ba akong flashlight? Mama, 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 mama. Uh, mama, mama, mama. Sorry, dinidistart ko lang sarili ko. What does it mean? Mahuhulog ba tayo sa ending? Zoe Zai. Shh, what? Mama, mama, mama. Oh, let's just finish it quickly. I want to leave. Bah! Whatever, man. Fifth floor. Dadaan yan? Nope. Okay. Wait, may sumigaw. Oh no, someone died. What? Bakit bukas to? Feel ko dito nanggaling yung namatay. Sorry ma'am, just doing my job. I'm not gonna pry. You do you. Kung ano man freaky yung ginagawa niyo dyan. Di na ako kasali. What? Yeah, someone died. Probably. Man, kahinaan ko din tong gantong type ng game. Stalker type. Fifth floor, may 4 na floor pa before ako matapos. Sixth floor, okay. Ano kanta yun? Someone singing? Hello! Hello, whoever you are. Creepy. Ba yun sa TikTok edit? Sorry. I'm so scared. Parang nasa backroom tayo. Or like, hindi backroom, or like PT pala. If you remember what PT is. Laruin ko ba yung game na yun? Wala pa akong audience, so maybe next time. I'm still scared. 7th floor. Walang jump scare na naman, okay. Great. Shut up. Shut up. God damn it. I'm scared. What's going on, ma? Oh my god. British. What's that? Shut up. Shut up. I'm scared. I'm so 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 scared. Please, huwag niyo ako jump. Me. Shut up. Oh my God. Please let me out. Let me out of here. I wanna go home. I just want my salary. Wait, natapos ka ba? Wait, nasa 7th floor pa din ako. Natapos ko ba yung flyers? Wait, 1, 2. Ito lang lagi dito. Dun sa kabila is, I think, apat usually. Me, 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 me. Okay, done. Goodbye. Please. Please, 8th floor. Let me leave. I don't wanna be here. I don't wanna be here anymore, man. Fuck. Oh my God. What do I need to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Shut up. If wala dito... Wait, 1, 2... Wala na. Wait, no-choice ba ako kung di gamitin yung haldan? Nope. Hindi kasi ata ako napunta ng 8th floor. Sorry. My God. Ano yung music? Nice. What? What? Hello? You friendly? I'm friendly, sir. Please don't jump scare me. Please don't jump scare me, man. You here? Bloody hell. Nope. Sorry, I'm just doing my job. I'm not gonna... Huh? Where's the... Wait, asan na yung pinto? Nawala. Huh? So wala akong choice? God damn it. God damn it. Hello? Tao po? Tao po? Hello? Sorry, I think I'm lost. I'm gonna hide! Fuck all of you. Fuck that child. Oh, sorry. Whatever, I just reset. I don't... At least may alam na ako ng... Hello, kid! Oh my God. Where do I go? Oh wait. I need pa ako tapusin pliers. Hello, child. Hello. Last... Nope. Wait, can I leave now? Probably done eh. Ah! Of course. May missing pa akong dalawa dito. Yep. I think heavily VT vibes siya. So I haven't played VT, like, napanood ko naman yung VT sa mga ibang YouTuber. Yeah, I guess, apaka VT vibes niya. Last floor, goodbye. Last floor, okay. What? What does it mean? What does it mean? I'm sorry, I don't get it. Fuck. I'm not gonna get chased, right? Since merong drawer dun. pipes. Okay, 1. I need to leave this goddamn hell. I need to leave. Shut up, I'm scared. Wala na. Shut up. Okay, I'm done. Leave. Let's leave. Please let me leave. Please, I wanna go home. I just want my salary, god damn it. Okay. What? 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 Please. No! What's going on? Hello? Hello? Am I home? Oh, wala yung... What? Hello? Wala na, nasa backroom na tayo. Apakadilim, wala akong makita. Oh. Okay, one way na lang. I think doon na tayo ng rooftop. I think. Hello? Child? Hi. You want... you want to play? You want to play? Bye then. What? Huh? What's going on? I'm getting crazy. Maze. Maze. Please don't do that. Huh? Father? Hello? What's going on? What? Huh? Okay, I'm back. Wait, I'm just a player boy. Why this happening to me? What did I do? What did I do wrong? I'm leaving this goddamn place. Goodbye. It's not. Hindi pa siya tapos. Okay. Puta ka. Puta ina. Nagihinig yung kamay ko, bugis niya. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Well, scare score, I guess, 10. And yeah, it's good. Play it yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm goddamn scared. I don't know what to say. I'm still shaking, man. Oh well, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video again. I'll see you tomorrow. I guess I'm gonna make another video again, hopefully. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.